What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute. I got some new parts finally. I don't know how long it's been since the last video, but at least 6 months. I haven't really been doing any mods. Just been chilling. Kind of stopped making videos because I needed new tires. As some of you may be able to tell, my fitment's not as aggressive. I got different tires on now because the old Federals discontinued. So I had to run some temporary tires, and this is alright because I planned on buying new wheels. So just temporary setup, and it's kind of actually fun. Like driving like this, I don't hear any rubbing when I drive aggressively. Hit corners as hard as I want to. It's like a perfect like daily setup. But anyways, let's get back to the new portails. So I got some mirror covers, carbon fiber, Insta. I feel like they'll go well with the looks, or I guess the direction I'm going with the car. I'm trying to keep it OEM plus, like basically parts that look like they could come with the car, or strictly OEM. And I think these will fit well with what I got going. So let me do a little unboxing. Okay, I think this might be real carbon. Yeah, that's real carbon. Quick little test fit. Oh dang, that's the wrong one. Let's try it on this side. This will feel perfect. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it off. Okay. Let's see what they look like. I'm gonna slap them on. I just put one on. And honestly, the fitment is not that bad. Of course, carbon fibers, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's pretty good. It's just double-sided tape. I was hoping I'll have to take the other cap off and replace it with that, but it's actually pretty aggressive. Still taking it in, man. I don't know. I like it. I think it's one of those parts where it's gonna take some getting used to, but it's pretty cool. Makes the mirror look bigger in my eyes, but I don't know. I could be tripping because every time I put something new on my car, I'm like, I don't know, bro. But that's the stock one still. Yeah, better idea. So let's see. I'm gonna put the other one on and probably move the car somewhere so you can get a better look from different angles, especially from the front. Slap the other one on. Alright, YouTube, I got the mirrors on. It's pretty easy. Just pretty much double-sided tape. Still trying to figure out if I'm gonna color match some of this. I might do a little blue to the bottom half and leave the top carbon fiber. We will see. I'm not sure yet. Still getting used to it, but yeah. I kind of like the mirrors. Gives it a different vibe, you feel me? Here she is. It's coming together. There's still some more like cosmetic pieces I want to get, but not so bad. Consider a little update. So yeah, fitment. It's pretty good. I kind of wish it wrapped around all the way, but it is what it is. It's on there good. Just needs a couple heat cycles and it'll probably fit a little better, but not too bad. Anyways, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.